Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence systems learn and process information? It all comes down to the neural network. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems. Neural networks are a core component of this technology. Before we dive deeper, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video from Abdul Hadi AI World for more content on AI. Artificial intelligence is about creating systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as learning, problem-solving, and decision-making. Neural networks are modeled after the most powerful learning machine we know, the human brain. This biological inspiration is key to their design. Let's break down exactly what a neural network is and how it functions as a powerful learning system. A neural network is a type of artificial intelligence system, a machine learning model, inspired by the structure and function of the human brain. It's built from layers of interconnected nodes, often referred to as artificial neurons, that work together to process information. The true power of neural networks lies in their ability to learn and adapt, which is fundamental to modern machine learning. Neural networks process vast amounts of data by analyzing patterns and relationships within that data, much like a detective looking for clues. They constantly improve over time by learning from new examples. The more data they process, the smarter and more accurate the AI systems become. Neural networks are not just theoretical. They drive many of the AI applications we use every day. Common uses include image recognition, allowing computers to, quote, see and classify objects, and speech processing for voice assistants. They are also essential for language translation services and for prediction tasks, helping businesses forecast trends and risks. In summary, neural networks are fundamental to the advancement of artificial intelligence. Their ability to learn from data makes them incredibly powerful for tackling complex problems that were previously beyond the reach of traditional computing. We hope this overview has helped you understand the fascinating world of neural networks. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video from Abdul Hadi AI World to support our channel.